Create a specialized tutorial on visualizing abstract digital concepts, cryptocurrency, blockchain networks, and digital assets through compelling visual representation. Teach creating three-dimensional representations of digital currency, network diagrams, and blockchain structures. Demonstrate techniques for conveying technological concepts visually without specialist knowledge from viewers. Cover creating infographics that explain complex digital finance concepts. Teach use of lighting effects, transparency, and layering to show digital interconnectedness. Include techniques for creating futuristic aesthetics appropriate to cryptocurrency and fintech branding. Demonstrate how to create professional visualizations for white papers, presentations, and marketing materials. This tutorial serves cryptocurrency entrepreneurs